Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana loaf bread moist. First, select very ripe bananas with plenty of brown spots. They are key for natural sweetness and moisture. Mash them well, but leave a few small chunks for a delightful texture. When combining your wet and dry ingredients, mix gently until just incorporated. Overmixing develops gluten, which can lead to a tough, dry loaf. Next, let's talk about ingredients that boost moisture. Incorporate half a cup of sour cream or plain yogurt into your batter. It adds incredible richness and keeps the loaf tender. Using oil or melted butter also helps create a wonderfully soft crumb. Don't forget brown sugar. Its molasses content not only adds a deeper flavor, but also significantly contributes to a moist texture. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Quick recommendation: while your delicious banana loaf is baking, why not set a timer or play some relaxing music with an Echo Dot smart speaker? It's a fantastic way to bring your space to life. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for baking techniques to ensure a moist loaf. Consider baking at a slightly lower temperature, around 325 degrees Fahrenheit, for a longer period. This allows the loaf to cook through without drying out. Crucially, do not overbake. Test for doneness with a toothpick inserted into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Finally, let the loaf cool completely in the pan before slicing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.